I think we will see a large scale transformation from a perspective of UX to workflows to even the jobs that people are doing. I actually think the most consistent thing over the next 5 years will be the need for high quality and accessible data, because that's really the fuel that powers the AI for CX. And so if we step back generally in the software space, I think in CX, we'll see this continued drive towards vertical specific solutions. And especially in AI, they have an edge a bit with the data and the problems that they solve. We're seeing some really interesting, big, massive global models that are generalists that come out. But as you see these being fine-tuned for specialized industries, very specific problem sets, the quality goes up, the speed goes up, the cost goes down. So I think we'll see more of that going forward. From a customer's perspective, over the next 5 years, I think there's going to be a lot of big wins. I think the customer experience will be faster, will be better, will be more unified. I think it's going to be a big win for CX overall. We'll see more high quality automated responses with real-time interactions across all channels. And these are going to be experiences that people not just tolerate, but seek out because they're going to be good and fast. And I think these answers will continue to get more and more personalized as you have more data sets on these customers about what products they use, how often they use them, what's their preferred communication channel, when do they like to be communicated with. All of those will make every interaction you have with customers more personalized, which will have a better end user experience. And I think we'll see companies come together. I think AI will help drive the ability for collaboration across companies that have common customers and shared experiences. And I think this is really important because when it's disconnected experiences, no matter how much that individual interaction is good, it's still a disconnected overall experiences. I think we'll see these companies drive together, and the use of AI can help bring this together to deliver these unified experiences across teams and across companies. And I think whoever owns that unified experience will be the winner of that customer relationship long term. I think the way teams spend time will shift over the coming years. If we think about some ways that kind of operations teams and support teams can spend time spent researching answers or updates is going to go down because AI can do that quickly. Time spent following up with people, what's the latest, that will go down because there'll be more insights into where things are. Time spent writing will go down. With all that going down, the time spent thinking will go up. People will be spending more time thinking about how to solve the most complex problems, making systems and processes better, and will spend less time on some of the more menial tasks that AI and automation can do for them, which I think is a win-win, because spend less time on the stuff that doesn't really make a difference and more time on the stuff that's really powerful that moves the needle. And then finally, from a software, more of a UX perspective, I think we'll see software get a bit more conversational. More things will be moved towards natural language and away from grids and forms and things like that. We'll see more real-time helpers throughout applications, which will reduce the time it takes to train new users on an application. So now you won't have to be an expert in everything because you'll have a real-time helper guiding you through how to do things. I think we'll see generally more outcome and goal setting as part of software. So less you have to define and build every step along the way and design the process. But I think we'll see a lot of, what do I want this to do? Tell me the outcome I want to happen, and let AI take more of the process in between of how you get to the outcome. And so I think with that, with AI, we'll see AI starting to take more actions. A lot of what it does today is predictions and generation of responses and insights into data. But think forward a couple of years and the AI will actually be finishing the swing all the way to taking the action that needs to get done to complete an experience in the CX world.